Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on starting a stopwatch on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the side button to wake the watch's screen, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu. Scroll down the menu and tap Stopwatch. Tap the play button to start the stopwatch. Tap the button on the right to mark a lap on your stopwatch. Tap the pause button to pause the stopwatch. To reset the stopwatch to 0, tap the pause button, then tap the reset button on the right. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.